Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Plymouth GTX. Super cool car, guys. Bought this car from a good buddy of mine, Lee. He's out of Virginia. Gosh, I've known Lee for about 7 years. I think this is the 5th or 6th GTX that I have actually bought from him. We both love this body style. Great car, fast car, just like everything he builds. This truck go by here. You can see it's finished in the bright yellow. It's got the correct black GTX striping, stock black vinyl interior. Again, good, solid, straight car. This car was originally restored about 2012, 2013, and there's a bunch of receipts from when the car was first done. Now, the drivetrain stuff, that's what actually Lee does. He's one of these go fast old schoolers, and so there's I think just over 1,000 miles on the drivetrain. That is fresh. Body paint, what, 8 years old. But everything else, drivetrain-wise, is fresh. Good, solid, straight car. You can kind of nitpick some of the trim. There's a couple little dings, and there's some stone pecks in the paint that you can pick at. But nice car, guys. I'm not trying to pick it apart, but you can see, like I say, there's some little dings in some of the trim. Bumpers are nice. They've definitely replaced those. I saw some stone pecks in it. Try to point those out as we kind of go around. Not that it needs paint or anything like that, but you know, you can see like stuff like this, little touch-up marks. But we both have a love for the 67 GTX, and like I said, I think this is the 5th or 6th one I bought from him. And he doesn't do this for a living. He's having fun. He loves to go fast, and good guy, and builds a nice car. Again, you can see just some touch-up marks. Taillight bezels are really nice. This back tail panel is, you can nitpick it a little bit. But the bezels themselves are really nice. He's got, every one of his cars always have these red lines, radial red lines on it, 15-inch Magnums. He's a red line guy. You can see it's got the correct chrome GTX tips on it with the correct tailpipes that are angled out. That's just the way they're supposed to be. Car just hits the road awesome, and all the horsepower you can want. 550 horse. It's a balanced and blueprinted 493 cubic inch, 550 horse engine. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, you can see here a couple of touch-up marks. Again, power 4-wheel disc brakes on the car. Good straight-o car. Car sits good. Like I say, really hits the road. Nice. Jordy says, man, it just smokes the tires. Again, 493 cubic inch, 550 horse. There's dyno sheets in there for that. It's Edelbrock aluminum heads. You can see Edelbrock intake. It's got comp cam in it. Diamond pistons. Got TTI 2-inch headers on it. All MSD digital 6AL box on it with a Pro Billet distributor. Yeah, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got the K&N filter top breather or air cleaner with the Mopar Performance valve covers. You know what I love? He left those ugly green spark plug wires that he normally puts on everything. He's going to get a kick out of that. Guarantee he's going to laugh when he watches that video. There's your fender tag. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. It's got 3200 stall converter in it. I think I said Edelbrock aluminum heads. The bugs like it. There's little bugs everywhere. They like that yellow. Stock chrome mirror. A-pillar chrome is really nice. Pretty nice on the door handles. Looks like new door rubbers. Again, interior's nice. Stock black interior, bucket seats with console. I have ordered a set of the GTX mats for it. Again, bucket seats, console. Headliner's nice. Yeah, 1,073 miles on your odometer. He is an aftermarket gauge, guys. Got Pro Comp gauges or Pro Comp tach in there. Everything, voltmeter, temp, oil pressure, and fuel gauges down there. No radio in it. He's like me. He's not a radio guy, but he left the hole so you can, if you want, you can buy a stock radio, put it back in there, or you can do a retro sounds radio if you'd like. That's what most people do. It's got 3-inch. I think it's Dynomax dual exhaust in it with H-pipe, 355 sure grip, 8 3/4 rear end with all brand new springs. Front suspension's all brand new. New wiring harness. Pull this up, might be easy to do it from this side. You can see they put a coating. It's original trunk panel or pan, but they did put like a coating on it to keep it from rusting. That should really be body color in there. Like I say, all the receipts from everything he's done, I believe that's what the yellow folder is, and then the black folder was the original restoration. Car's clean and solid underneath. It's, you know, it's not body color floors and everything like that. It's just, you know, it's driver. It's built to drive, built to cruise. It's actually built to torch the tires and have some fun, that's for sure. But the floors are solid, they're clean. Yeah, no radio in there. I do have a guy, like I say, I was going to put a radio, but everybody's so weird now about radios that I'm not a radio guy. I could care less if a radio's on in there. But if you want a radio, sorry guys, that's from me. If you want a radio, we do have a radio guy. You can hear this thing just beats the ground, man. Does run on pump gas. I like the yellow lights in the center there. They working? Not working? I thought they worked, to be honest. Are they working? Yeah, see, I thought they worked. Yeah. Yeah. You gotta get that touch, man. Tach's down here. Yeah. Again, I think that's working up there. Everything else is down here. All your gauges are down there. They're all functional. You can see the car holds good oil pressure. Great sound. Like I say, car runs too, guys. Blower motor, I never checked it. Again, all your gauges do work. I can hear it. Blower motor works, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.